Alright guys, y'all may remember this place. This is my second time revisiting it. Here's the XB1000. It's got an Alliance scroll compressor. Wondering if it's been running. And from 2001. I'm not gonna get the data again. Here's the carrier with the sweat fan blades. Emerson Copeland scroll compressor, I believe. Yeah. 2019 5-ton. And here's the XB1000. 2001 4-ton. It's got an Alliance scroll. Alright, here are these again. Got the Goodman and the Guardian. It's a Copeland scroll. It's a carrier base one. '2007 3-ton. Copeland scroll compressor. Here's the 2016 Guardian. It's got an Emerson Copeland scroll. 2016 4-ton. Look at these two lean values. 2011 3-ton. I don't think this has been running. Actually, it might. I think it has. Open scroll compressor. Here's the other one. It's got the same compressor, but 2011. What is it? 3-ton. This is Goodman. Lost the link. Sorry about that, guys. I accidentally just stopped the video. Anyway, here's this Goodman Copeland scroll compressor. And then here's this American Standard, which is new. It replaced a Carrier 38 CKC. Oh man, it has an LG 2022 5-ton. Gentech fan motor. On to the next units. Alright guys, here are the good ones. And all these units again. Yep, Copeland recip. Hasn't been running. Same with this one. Yeah, it's Copeland recip. 2009. Um, 3-ton. Samsung's running. In cool mode. Yeah, all these are off. I don't know what kind of compressor that is. It might be a Carlisle, but yeah, so this is faded and I can't make it out really. Oh, I think it's from like 2001. Let's see if it's been running. No. Alright, well, the only unit running is the Samsung 2007 5-ton XB13. Is that an Alliance? Yeah, it is. Here's these two Linux variants. 2023 4-ton. Guess these haven't been running. Got this carrier with the ECM fan motor. I think it's from like 2022. Gentech fan motor. Gentech ECM fan motor. So, 2018 5-ton for this XR. Probably got an Alliance. This one I think has been running. Here's the other one. (2022) 5-ton. Alright. Well, there's all these. Alright guys, here are all these 38 CKCs again. I didn't film these last time. 2002 5-ton. I filmed the one over there. And I actually realized this one was frozen last time. Now it's not. Hang on. No, this hasn't been running. Now there's this one. And here are these two Lennox Merits. And data's right here. Oh. Oh. Also, they put that upside down. That's open for some reason. Um, 2006 5-ton. This one is the same. Oh man, these are off too. Man, why do they all have to be off? Sucks. Alright, here's the next bunch. Got an XR13. I think it has a climate tough under the blanket. 2007 5-ton. And then here's this new XR. Oh my. This one hasn't been running. Like everything's off. It has some cheap Chinese fan motor. Good, it does have an Alliance. 2024 5-ton. Hasn't even been running. Alright, here are these again. And they're all off. That hasn't been running. 2020 4-ton. Train side discharge, which is huge. There's this 2009 Goodman, I think. I'm not even going to try to get to the data. Here's this XR that got bent in. RU ECM fan motor. 2020 4-ton. Man, this hasn't even been running. Wow. Alright, here are all these XEs again. I might be able to get back to them this time. Oh. I don't know. I don't want to get back to them. I can at least get to this carrier. 2018 3.5 ton. Let's go to Emerson Open Scroll. I'm not even gonna try to get back to those XEs. Looks like it's 2001. Alright, so it's the same unit that's running. It's the carrier. Lights on. Training Soar, 2022 3 ton. Land Scroll, I think. This is, no, it's Sear. Is there an energy guide? Oh man, it's worn off. Just train. I'm not gonna get close to it. Wow, here's this XR. I think it's an XR4. I don't want to get to the Purons. I said that last time too, but there's just a window that's open right there, so I'm going to be cautious. Let's go to Alliance. Alright. Here's just a little top view of the carriers. Alright, here are all these again. Off. Tails and 5 ton. Oh, it's hot. No windows. Still. No blinds. Alright. Whew, that is close. Those blades are close to the compressor. What the heck? I'm not gonna get the data on it. There's lights on there. 2017 5 ton. And here's this American Standard Silver Series. Land Scroll compressor. 2021 5 ton. Hey. Nice those. Alright, here's this Tranix E1000 heat pump. Oh, well, that's just as trained, but Light Scroll. Yep, 2001, it's a heat pump, 4 ton. This is carrier. Is that window open? Okay, I don't think it is. What tells him? There's this train. Big reset. Here's this Daikin Fit heat pump, which Andrew Dish got defrosting back in December 2024. I don't know where the compressor is. Oh, I think that's it. Okay. Daikin. And here's the Linux, the hack job. 2015 4 ton. Alright, here's this little Daikin again. I already got the data. I think it's from like 2023. Alright guys, the fit is running. Oh yeah, it's nice and cold. That's outdoor temperature. I don't know what it's from. I think I got it. It's from 2023. 2017 3-ton for this Train XR. Lion scroll. And there's that grander heat pump. And the carrier again that I got starting out last year. Yeah, reversing valve as a Copeland scroll. 2013 3-ton. And then there's that carrier that I couldn't get back to last time. I wonder if it's been running. Okay, I think it has. Alright, these are the last two. Compressor blanket. And I got this carrier. It's off, but on a nursing car from school, I believe. I think I got the data last time on it, but alright, well, I'm gonna try to actually go to the, well, this one of the carriers started up. It's the smaller one. The carrier shut off. I'm gonna try to get down to it. That's still there. And it just shut off. 2005 4-ton. Here's the bigger one. Alright, well, thank you, Goodman. Perfect. Just checking to see if something kicked on, and then Goodman turns on for the video. That's mud, so I gotta go around. Alright. I don't know if any of these kicked on. Don't think so. Huh. Well, thank you. XR and Goodman said thank you. This one was on. Oops, my phone is like, oh yeah, this one's been running. Oh, could potentially catch a start up of this one. I'm not really on a time crunch, so there's a possibility. But I might start this video first. Have any of the lights been on? I don't think so. Alright, well, I'm going to try to catch the carrier starting up. Real quick, I'm going to get a brief sound of this beast. Oh yeah. Yeah, so these have been off. But, I mean, this one could have fired up. Alright guys, well, I'm going to try to get started with that carrier on the end. So, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And well, I'll see y'all in the next one. Over and out.